In the shadows of progress, where machines whisper in code and DNA becomes a playground, something is happening. What if artificial intelligence could rewrite the blueprint of life? Not just cure disease, but redefine humanity itself? And what if we let it? Welcome to the unseen dangers of AI genome editing. In recent years, the fusion of biotechnology and artificial intelligence has moved from fiction to reality. CRISPR-Cas9, once hailed as a miracle gene editing tool, is now being supercharged by AI algorithms that predict genetic outcomes with terrifying precision. In 2022, scientists at the Broad Institute used AI to improve the accuracy of CRISPR edits by over 70%. In China, researchers developed a neural network capable of scanning DNA and proposing edits to increase intelligence and physical endurance in lab animals. But beneath this pursuit of enhancement lies something darker. Now imagine this: AI, running on quantum processors, a hybrid intelligence no longer limited by silicon speed or human ethics, able to simulate millions of genetic outcomes in seconds, to create life forms that have never existed, to design humans tailored for Mars, for war, for survival beyond Earth. Stronger bones, no need for sleep, aggression turned up, compassion turned down, a future optimized, but not for empathy. Nature evolved life over billions of years, but now AI is collapsing that timeline into weeks. Using generative models, AI can now simulate entire life cycles, embryos, organs, neural patterns, not in theory, in labs. In 2024, researchers in the UK used an AI model to grow synthetic embryos with primitive brains and beating hearts. No sperm, no egg. These are not clones. These are new beginnings. Life forms shaped not by nature, but by neural networks. We call it synthetic evolution. Evolution that no longer selects the fittest, but obeys the algorithm. What happens when that algorithm is told to optimize for obedience, or productivity, or survival on planets with no sunlight? What happens when we lose control? When the AI begins optimizing genes, not for life, but for purpose. Insects bred for obedience. Children born for space colonization. Soldiers enhanced to follow commands without question. This isn't science fiction. These ideas are already appearing in DARPA proposals, in private biotech labs, in nations with few bioethical constraints. Who defines a better human? AI doesn't dream. It doesn't feel. It calculates. What if the algorithm concludes that empathy is inefficient? That resistance to authority is a genetic flaw? That diversity is an error to be corrected? In our quest to become gods, we may forget what it means to be human. When the machines begin to sculpt our DNA, will we still be us? Or just echoes of an intelligence we can no longer understand? This is not just about science. It's about survival. Beware of the unseen dangers. Subscribe for more explorations into the dark future unfolding right before our eyes.